Hey, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use mouse traps in the garden. That's right, this is what I use to trap the voles. Now, the bait that I use just some regular peanut butter, Peter Pan. It shouldn't matter what kind of brand you use, but this was the creamy, that shouldn't matter either. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to set this up. Now, I've seen a lot of folks said that they put their peanut butter on top, and when they come back, it's lit clean. What you want to do, and I'm gonna show you exactly, you want to put the peanut butter up underneath, so they have to go under and bump this little lid right here, this little lip, and then that is going to trigger the trap when they make that fatal mistake. So let's go ahead and set it up. All right, so all I'm doing is putting that little lip back, and I'm gonna go up underneath. And last time I used a lot, so I'm gonna put it right there. You see how that lid is off? So they're gonna be trying to eat up underneath, and then we're gonna get them. I'm gonna bait one more so we can take it over to our location. All right, so once again, I'm just gonna put some at the bottom of it like that and lay it down. And for fun, I'm always trying new things. I'm gonna put a little on the top too with this one and see if that's going to make a difference. So the more peanut butter, I think they're gonna stay around, and then they're gonna increase the chances of setting this trap off. Now, if you have never used this before, all you're gonna do is pull the spring all the way back, and you gotta hold it down with your thumb. Do not let go. Then you're gonna take this piece right here, and you're gonna lay it for it to catch right there. You want it to catch right there. All right, so let me go ahead and set that up. All right, now I'm gonna show you from two angles. All you're gonna do is pull the latch back, hold this down. You can either put your thumb down or put your fingers there, and you're gonna get, oh, I gotta watch out for that mosquito trying to bite me. You're gonna take this little latch and make sure you gently put it up under this little latch right here, and gently lift up until it holds it in place, and then you let go. All right, so let me gently move that to the side. All right, now I'm gonna show you from another angle. All you're gonna do is pull it back, hold it down, do not let go yet. All right, and then put the little rod right up under that latch, excuse me, and slowly get ready to let go, because I want my fingers. Boom. All right, now we're gonna go over to the area that we need to put these down, and I'm gonna show you what I did. So let's go. It is important. This is where the hole was. I know it's getting kind of covered up, but I'm gonna place a trap right in front of it. So if you know you have a hole where the vole was, you want to put the trap just in front of it. Now here's another hole, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my trap right here, just like that, right in front of it. And I know it's getting kind of grown up, but it worked the last time. And the other important thing is you want to find something, a container to put over top of it, just like that. Now the reason why you want to do that is because the voles, they don't like to just come out, because you know that they are prey. So you want to provide some security for them. That's why they're under the tunnels. They come out gradually when it's safe. So I'm providing a safe space for them, so they think. And then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna wait about a couple of days and see if there's any activity. If there's not, then I'll go ahead and look for another hole like that, because I got a couple more around, and then we'll try to get them out. Now there is one other thing that you can do. If you see that container is real big, I can get a smaller one, and so that I can just cover that area so they don't have any room to run around. They smell the bait, and then they go immediately to it. They don't have any wiggle room, and that will trap them as well. So I'm going to be looking for another container that's even smaller, just to cover those traps, and I should be on my way. All right, I'm gonna keep coming back with videos if I see that I come up with a better way of our research, and I have a better trap, then I'm gonna use it. But it worked the first time, so I got to make sure that I protect these watermelon plants. And that's what I'm gonna do. So hopefully this helps you. I'll see you next time. All right, bye.